I'm going to the beach and my inner mermaid is so excited. It kind of sounds like a dolphin. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are ready for another pack with me video, Spring Break-cation edition. Woohoo! So I'll be leaving to the beach in a few days, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I'm going to be bringing along with me. And I already have a crazy amount of stuff, so let's not waste any more time and go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I've done one of these pack with me videos before last October for my birthday when I went to Washington, D.C. And if you guys seen that video, you know that I showed you what I was bringing and then I packed it as I was telling you guys what I was bringing. But this time around, I'm going to show you what I'm bringing first, and then at the end of the video, I'll pack everything into the suitcase. There is like triple the amount of shoes. There's swimsuits involved and shorts and all of that fun stuff because it is spring break and I'm going to the beach. Obviously, you need that stuff when going to the beach. So there's a ton more that I'm taking on this trip than what I took on my Washington, D.C. trip. So I'm hoping that everything fits in my bag. I'm looking at it all right now and it's just a lot of stuff. So fingers crossed again that we can get this all fit into one suitcase. So the first thing I'll show you guys is what shoes I am bringing with me, because I do have 4 pairs that I am bringing with me. Well, shoes slash sandals. But I do have here my white Converse that I'm going to be bringing with me. There is a boardwalk nearby and I want to make sure I have some comfortable sneakers to do sightseeing in, so I am bringing these. I'm also going to be bringing these beautiful slide sandals. I do have an outfit that this matches with perfectly along with a swimsuit, so of course I had to pack these with me. And I have some gold sandals that'll be going with a couple of different outfits. The last pair that I am bringing are these beautiful platform heels. I got them from Target a few years ago, maybe like 4 or 5 summers ago actually, and they're just so pretty. And I'm going to be wearing them on a night out with this 70s vibes jumpsuit that I got from Target also. So one of the first outfits that I'm going to be wearing are these cute floral shorts. And believe it or not, I got these from Five Below last year. And I'm going to be pairing it with this beautiful orange top that I got from Versona on clearance for like $6.99. And it just gives me major spring vibes. Next outfit I have to show you are these denim blue jean shorts, and I'm going to be pairing it with this Victoria's Secret pink crop bralette. Looks like this, and there's studs on the front. I love the back. It's got this cutout here, and I got this a few summers ago also. And over top of that, I'm going to be pairing it with this neon pink Aeropostale tank top. And the next outfit I have to show you guys is a light wash pair of denim blue jean shorts. And I'm pairing it with this cute little crop top from Forever 21, and it has a little popsicle stick on the little pocket here. And I'm getting major spring vibes with this outfit as well. And in case it gets a little chilly at night, I am bringing this denim jacket. And one of the final outfits that I am bringing are these cute pineapple shorts. I got them from Old Navy about like 2.5 to 3 summers ago. So I will be taking these shorts and pairing it with this cute top. I honestly can't remember where I got this top, but I want to say it was somewhere like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but it looks like that. And I'm bringing some fuzzy socks in case I want to be cozy at night when I put my PJs on. And speaking of PJs, I have this adorable flamingo pajama set. It says I'm Flamazing with a cute little pink flamingo on it, and then I have some matching shorts to go with it that looks like this, and oh my goodness, it's so cute. I love flamingos. They're one of my favorite animals. They're so cute and girly. And I'm also bringing these PJs, which has a just plain gray tank top with a pair of black cat shorts. Alright, so for swimwear, I have these cute little cover-up shorts that I just put over my swimsuit. And I am bringing this bikini with me. The bottoms are from Walmart and the top is from Victoria's Secret. Super cute, and I've had these both for a while now. This is the other pair of bikini that I will be bringing. This is from Walmart and it's so pretty. I got this last summer and I just love the design on it. Super cute. And I have a cover up that matches perfectly with that as well, also from Walmart, which looks like this. And you can see on the side there it ties up with like little knots. And yeah, it's super cute and flowy, so I will be bringing this as well as a cover up. And also from Walmart is this one-piece swimsuit that I will also be bringing with me. It's super cute. I got it almost 3 summers ago and I love it. It's super comfortable, so I thought I would bring a one-piece with me to the beach as well. Now perhaps, because I am going to be at the beach and I want to make sure that I have some protection on my head from the sun if I'm doing some sightseeing or maybe laying out on the beach, I have this ball cap here. I can't remember where I got it from, or possibly my mom got it for me. I can't remember, but it was either Forever 21 or Urban Outfitters. It very well could be Urban Outfitters, but it's super cute and I love it. It's comfortable. And then I have this pretty sun hat here from Five Below that I got last summer, and it says "Wish You Were Here," and I thought that would be the perfect hat to bring with me on vacation. And I have these cute neon yellow sunglasses that I got from Forever 21, which look like this. And yeah, I just thought that these were so trendy, and with a couple of outfits that I'm bringing, I think these will go perfectly. I won't go through my jewelry, but all of it I put in this little Kate Spade jewelry holder bag. One of 2 purses that I will be bringing with me is this beautiful Danielle Nicole Little Mermaid Ariel crossbody bag. And I love the detail of this purse. Oh my goodness. And it's actually quite small. As you can see, you can't really fit more than your wallet, your cell phone, and maybe some lip gloss in this bag. And it comes with a beautiful gold chain so that you could wear it over your shoulder or crossbody, either way. But yeah, this goes perfectly with one of my outfits, and of course I'm going to the beach, so I'm like, girl, you're coming with me too. Yep, she's coming with me. So of course on vacation I'm going to be bringing my selfie stick with me to take tons of pictures and videos with. And I'm also going to be bringing my little cell phone tripod holder, and it actually comes with a little LED light. And of course it's pink, my favorite color ever. And I actually got this from Five Below, $5, and that's not bad at all. So this will also be coming along with me while I'm vlogging out on the beach. I have some After Sun Soothing Gel with Aloe for refreshing relief. So this is for if anyone in the family gets sunburned or their skin is just feeling a little bit itchy or dry or anything like that. It contains no alcohol, moisturizes, and cools. So this is definitely going to help out anyone who might get sunburned on the trip. Hopefully not though, because I'm packing tons of sunscreen, but just in case, I will be bringing this as well. On to toiletries. We are almost done, I promise you. So I got this cute toiletry bag for Christmas from my parents this past Christmas. And I won't go over everything that's in here, but we have makeup wipes, I have some body gel, lotion, body spray, a loofah. It comes with a cute little, what do you call it, flamingo carrying case toiletry bag as well, which I have like deodorant, my toothbrush, and all of that stuff in there as well. So I will be bringing this along with me. And then my hair products, of course, a comb to brush my hair. I have Bat Tease dry shampoo in the scent Coconut and Exotic Tropical. I love the packaging of this. Just yellow and pink are 2 of my favorite colors. And of course, again, I love flamingos. So I'm trying this one out. Actually, I've already tried it out a couple of times already, and it works pretty good. It smells really good too. I'm using the OGX Quenching Plus Coconut Curl Frizz Defying Curl Styling Milk. I use this when I like a wave like this in my hair, along with the Tresemme Flawless Curls Bouncy Curls Defining Gel. So I use these 2 to achieve these waves. Alright, last thing I'm taking with me is my beach bag. So I have a towel in here, some more sunglasses, sunscreen, a little Bluetooth speaker, and a lot more. I did do a what's in my pool bag video last summer that I will link at the end of this video if you guys would like to see everything that is in this beach bag, but I won't go through it all today just because, again, it's a lot of stuff in here as well. But this is the final thing that I will be bringing to the beach with me. Alright guys, and I think that is everything that I am bringing to the beach with me for myself. Fingers crossed I'm not forgetting anything, but like I've said before in past packing videos, that I do like to pack a few days before I'm actually leaving for a trip. That way I don't forget anything. And if I think of anything along the way, I can just toss it in the bag. So now we are going to attempt to put all of this stuff into my suitcase. So let's see how that turns out. Alright, I almost forgot my makeup bag too. This is a Vera Bradley makeup bag, and I'm not going to go through all of my makeup because, again, it is quite a bit, but this is also coming with me on my trip. Forgot to show you guys, I do have a neck pillow that I will be bringing with me and possibly take a nap. So there's that, and I just love the design. It has a rainbow and it says yeah, like totally cool. So yep, looking forward to using this on the trip. And yeah, that's everything that I'm going to be taking with me on my trip. It's quite a bit of stuff, honestly, compared to my Washington, D.C. trip. It's a lot more going on, but we can make it work, and that's what's in my suitcase and what I'm bringing with me to the beach. I will see you guys at the beach. Thank you so much for watching my Pack With Me Spring Break-cation edition. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you would like to follow me along on my vacation to the beach, then I will link down below my Instagram account. That way you guys can check it out before I actually post a vlog next week, which, by the way, I am posting a vlog of this trip. It's just probably going to be going up Tuesday or Wednesday of next week instead of my regular schedule of Monday postings. It's most likely going to be a Tuesday or a Wednesday. But yeah, be sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss a trendy video from me. And I will see you all next time. Have a beautiful day. Bye!